day everyone! Welcome back to Math A YouTube channel. In this channel, we're going to discuss different topics in mathematics. Our lesson for today is graphing linear equations given x and y intercepts. X-intercept is the point x0 where the line crosses the x-axis. Example, 3, 0. Sa ating Cartesian plane, makikita natin ang ordered pair 3, 0 sa ating x-axis. Next, y-intercept is the point 0, y where the line crosses the y-axis. So, sa Cartesian plane, makikita natin ang y-intercept sa y-axis. Example, 0, negative 3. So, this is our y-intercept. So, connecting these 2 points, we have here our graph. So, let us determine the x and y-intercept of the given equation. Find the slope and describe the graph. Okay, so first, let us find the value of x and y-intercept. Okay, para makuha natin ang x-intercept, we have to let y be equal to 0. So, substitute natin yung 0 as the value of our y. Okay, so we have here 3x plus, so y will be substituted by 0 equals 6. So, 3x plus 0 equals 3x, and then bring down equals 6. Since ang x natin ay may numerical coefficient pa na 3, so we have to divide both terms by 3. So, 3x over 3 is equal to 6 over 3. Next, 3x divided by 3, so cancel 3. So, the remaining term is x equals 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Okay, so it means that our x-intercept is 2, 0. So, 2 is the value of x, and then 0 is the value of y. So, if we're going to plot this point, so we can find this in our Cartesian plane. Okay, so 2, 0. Next, let us get y-intercept. Sa y-intercept naman, we're going to let x be equal to 0. So, 3, copy from the original equation, and then x will be replaced by 0. So, that is equal to 3 times 0 plus y equals 6. Next, 3 times 0 is equal to 0. So, we only have here the variable y, and then copy equals 6. So, it means that our y-intercept is 0, 6. The value of x is 0 and y is 6. So, if we're going to plot this, 0, 6 is in our y-axis. Next, since meron na tayong dalawang point or the x-intercept and y-intercept, so connect natin siya using straight line. Okay. Next, after determining the x and y-intercept, we're going to find the slope and describe the graph. So, use the formula m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So, label natin yung ating first ordered pair as x sub 1, y sub 1. And then our second ordered pair, which is 0, 6, as x sub 2, y sub 2. So, let us substitute. So, y sub 2 is equal to 6 minus our y sub 1 is 0 over our x sub 2 is 0 minus x sub 1 is 2. 6 minus 0 is equal to 6 over 0 minus 2 is equal to negative 2. So let us simplify. Our slope now is equal to negative 3. Okay, so the line leans from right to left and the trend of the graph is decreasing. Since our slope is negative, so ang ating line ay papunta sa kaliwa. Next example, x minus 2y equals 8. To find our x-intercept, let y be equal to 0. So that would be x minus 2. So ang y will be replaced by 0. So 2 times 0 and then equals 8. So negative 2 times 0 is equal to 0. So we only have here the variable x. And then bring down equals 8. So it means that our x-intercept is 8, 0. So kung ipa-plot natin siya sa ating Cartesian plane, so andito siya sa ating x-axis. So we have here 8, 0. Next, let us find the value of our y-intercept. So para makuha ang y-intercept, let x be equal to 0. So x will be replaced by 0. So that would be 0 minus 2y equals 8. So 0 minus 2y is equal to negative 2y and then bring down equals 8. Since we have here negative 2, we're going to divide the whole equation by negative 2. So negative 2y over negative 2 equals 8 over negative 2. So negative 2y divided by negative 2. So we now have here y equals 8 divided by negative 2 is equal to negative 4. So our y-intercept is 0, negative 4. So kung ipa-plot natin to sa ating Cartesian plane, so ang 0, negative 4 ay makikita sa y-axis. So this will be our y-intercept which is 0, negative 4. So meron na tayong dalawang points kaya pwede na natin silang i-connect using a straight line. So this is our graph. Next, let us find the slope and describe the graph. So let us use the formula m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So label ulit natin yung ating x-intercept as x sub 1, y sub 1. And then sa ating second point or y-intercept, we have x sub 2, y sub 2. So that would be equal to, the value of y sub 2 is negative 4. Minus our y sub 1 is 0 over x sub 2 is equal to 0 minus x sub 1 is equal to 8. Next, negative 4 minus 0 equals negative 4 over 0 minus 8 equals negative 8. So negative divided by negative will result to positive. And 4 over 8 is equal to 1/2. So our slope is equal to 1/2. So if we're going to describe the graph, so the line leans from left to right and the trend of the graph is increasing. And that ends our lesson for today. Thank you for watching. I'm Teacher Grace. See you again next time. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more updates. Bye!